another tutorial. In this stage we are solving question number 6 from the vector chapter. It's from exercise 13.3 from Cambridge Admit book. Information is provided on the left side, and on the right side diagram is also given. Please read it with yourself what the information provided. Usually OA equals to A given. From here to there is the A given, and another one OB equals to B. So in this direction B is given here. That is the A whole thing, and another part is given OBX equals to 3/5 of BA. BA is on the right side. 3/5 of BA means BX part is 3. And another one BA part is 5. So from 3 if you subtract, we got that part. XA part is 2 here. That the information, and other two information, OP equals to in terms of lambda and BP equals to in terms of mu provided. First question, OP, let me see, and question is asking us to find out the in terms of lambda. So directly we can use the information provided. OP equals to lambda of OX. So lambda OX, let me see the where is the OX. OX is from here to there. OX, how to go there? We can go directly through from A to B, then B to X we can go. Let me do that. Lambda we can write here OB plus BX, and then we have to use lambda of OB part is B provided, and BX, actually this is information is written here 3/5 of BA, right? We write 3/5 of BA. We needed to find out the BA part also from here. So what is the BA part? Let me see. BA, we can write OA minus OB in terms of position vector. If you write, this is actually A minus B. Let's use this information there. So first one is the lambda B, and second one is 3/5, then lambda, and from BA we can put here A minus B. Now write according to the vector. If we take lambda common from the first part, we can write lambda minus 3 lambda by 5, and coefficient of A is here 3 lambda A by 5. This is the total part of the OP. Hope you understood the way I did the question. Let's move to the part B here. I am going to use the different color now. B, it's also asking OP but in terms of mu. Let me write it. OP equals to in terms of mu provided here BP as a BP. So we have to go first OB, then add plus BP. This is the information. OB given here B, let me write B plus BP provided mu BY. B plus mu. What is our BY? Let us see BY from here to there, BY. So easily you can write OY minus OB. Now just put the information B plus mu into OY. It is written here 3/7 of OA. So we can write 5/7 of OA, and OA is A, so we can write 5A/7, and minus OB, B is B also. So now take B common from there, we can write it 1 minus mu, then another part is 5 mu A/7. This is the second part, 5 mu A/7 from OP part. Okay, and third question, similar type. Question is asking us to find out lambda and mu. So you already have two OP from A and part. If we equate this OP from A and B, then we would get the answer. So OP equals to OP. One OP from answer A, another OP from answer B. One OP in terms of lambda, another OP in terms of mu. We need to consider if we equate. So it's, if we write the whole thing together, it is actually, we do not need to write sometimes 3 lambda by 5. Here we can write all in terms of lambda. Yeah, another one plus 3 lambda A by 5, and equals on the right side it is B into 1 minus mu plus 5 mu A by 7, and it's actually vector equation, we can equate vector from the both side right now. Let's equate the vector from the both side. It gives us, if we equate the vector b, it gives us lambda minus 3 lambda by 5 equals to 1 minus mu. Actually this is 5 minus 2 lambda. We can write 2 lambda by 5 equals to 1 minus mu. And if we equate the coefficient of a from both sides, it gives us 3 lambda by 5 equals to, on the right side it is 5 mu by 7. That is the total information. Make mu as a subject and it gives us 1 minus 2 lambda by 5. 1 minus 2 lambda by 5. Yeah. Let me replace this value on the right side. Then it becomes 3 lambda by 5 equals to 5 by 7 into mu. If we replace, this is 1 minus 2 lambda by 5. So if you found any mistake that I did, please comments on the write in the comments box what the mistakes I did, because I am doing this question directly. So we can write it 5 and 5 we can cut out. This gives us 2 lambda by 7, I think. Yeah, 5 2 by 7. So now we are going to add this and find out the lambda from here. It's a simple thing. Let me do that. So we can write it 3 lambda by 5 plus 2 lambda by 7 equals to 5 over 7. Yeah. Then from there we can write, if we make LCM, 3 7 is the 21 lambda, and another part is 5 2 is the 10 lambda, divided by 5 7 is the 35, equals to 5 over 7. We can cut this 7 and we can write here 5. Then if we simplify more, it gives us, from here we goes that place. Then we are writing here 21 plus 10 is 31 lambda. I'm not sure the answer is correct or not, but this is the procedure. Equals to, we got 5 into 5 is 25, and find out the lambda. Therefore we can write lambda equals to 25 by 31. It's a huge working. Manually if we do, I got like this. If I did in my calculation any mistake, please write on the comment box that you can correct. I can correct myself. Okay, this is the lambda given, so we just put this value of lambda in our first equation, which I wrote here. This is the equation to get the value of mu. Therefore we can write mu equals to 1 minus 2 by 5 of lambda value. We got 25 by 31. 25 by 31. So in this stage I'm going to use calculator, because literally it's not possible to calculate manually, which is, I can write 1 minus, let me write the thing what written, 1 minus 2 by 5 into 25 by 31 divided by 31, and we got from there 21 by 31 again. Yeah, 21 by 31. The previous one 25 by 31. This is 21 by 31. So we got mu 21 by 31 and the lambda 25 of 31. I'm not sure the answer is correct or not. Please check from the back part of your book, and if you found wrong answer, the procedure is same. Might be I did some mistake here. Okay, don't be worried about that. So please write in the comment box. Thanks for watching with patience. You may see my other tutorial from here as well. This is question number 7, and I'm trying to show all the questions from here.